In the trough of life, we often feel isolated and helpless, and our hearts are full of pain and despair. Buddhist wisdom reminds us that every wound is an opportunity for self-discovery and growth. How to start this self-healing journey: find the light in your heart, and get out of the darkness under the guidance of Buddhism. Pain and difficulties are part of life, but they are not insurmountable obstacles. Buddhist teachings tell us that by observing our hearts, we can find endless wisdom and power. Learn to find opportunities to grow from pain, and believe that each of us has a beam of light in our hearts, waiting to be rekindled. How to start this journey? First of all, you should learn to face your inner pain, not escape. When you look directly at the darkness in your heart and accept it with compassion, you will find that these pains are actually a disguised blessing, which guide us to a higher self. In the wisdom of Buddhism, compassion is an important force for self-healing. Through practicing compassion, we have learned how to be empathetic with the pain of ourselves and others. Understanding our own pain can also make us feel the warmth and calmness in our hearts during this healing journey. When we look at our pain with compassion, we no longer regard it as punishment or injustice of fate, but as an opportunity to grow up. The power of wisdom is an inner light that can lead us out of the darkness. When we learn to use wisdom to look at the ups and downs of life, we are no longer trapped in the abyss of pain, but can draw strength from it and bring new hope to our own life. Wisdom tells us that every fall in life is an opportunity for us to move forward. The journey of self-healing is to learn how to reconcile with your heart and find inner strength in this exploration. In this process, we gradually understand that the real healing does not come from external changes, but from inner changes. Through the wisdom of Buddhism, we have learned how to find the long-lost peace in our hearts and draw infinite power from it to meet the challenges of life. The importance of love and hope is an indispensable force in our healing journey. When we choose to face the difficulties in life with love, we can not only heal ourselves, but also pass on this power to others. Hope is the beacon where we move forward in the dark, and love is the force that leads us to the light. Integrate love and hope into our lives, and find the inner strength at every difficult moment to help us overcome all challenges and move towards the inner light. When we learn to use these wisdoms to face the pain and difficulties in our hearts, we can not only heal ourselves, but also become the transmitters of light, helping more people get out of the darkness and welcome the hope and love in life.